Hi, Don here at snapitupcanada.com. Thinking of a projector? What do you need? 8mm? Super 8? Okay, well this does both. It's a dual 8 projector. Keystone 2500. Very nice little projector. Has the CXL CXR bulb in good shape. Let's take a look and see what it's doing here. Very quiet running projector. But what's it look like on the screen? Let's take a look. Nice projection. Okay, that's all well and good. Oh yeah, it goes in reverse as well. So this is a very nice Keystone 2500 dual 8 film projector. That's Super 8 film that's on it right now. Don here at snapitupcanada.com. Thanks for looking.